I'm sure you can agree, when it comes to renovating a backyard, it'd be nice to work with one company that will take you through an entire turnkey project. In this video, we're going to show you how we went from a blank slate of a backyard to an outdoor oasis. Hi, I'm Jamie Albert. Today we're starting a project in Somers, New York. It's a beautiful area. You can see we're in a nice kind of wooded private area on a client's home. And we're going to be putting in the Leisure Pools Ultimate 30. This is a 30-foot long pool. It's 15.5 feet wide. We have really nice size swimming space, constant pitch, so you don't have that drop off. We have benches in the deep end so you can just kind of hang out and relax there. In the shallow end, we have a tanning ledge and we have a spa. Spa is going to be able to be heated separately from the pool. This pool also has an automatic cover. It adds a kind of another layer of safety for the kids. Plus it keeps the pool clean and keeps the temperature in the pool. Let's get to work. This property had a pretty decent grade to it, not giant, but needed to be addressed. We're lowering the whole ground a little bit so that we can match an existing set of stairs that are here. Okay, so now you can see that we've got the ground excavated out. Now we're nice and level. We're starting to set our strings up, and this is gonna give us perfect straight lines so we know how we're gonna line the pool up. We'll start to excavate next for the pool.
So it's day one here in Somers. I'm Chris Jones. This is my home. The kids, my two children, are both eager to get their summer vacation going and swimming in this pool. So we can't wait to see the progress as it comes over the next few weeks.
Okay, so now we're going to backfill this pool here, and what we're using is all 3/8 crushed stone. All right, so the reason we're using 3/8 crushed is, one, it compacts very well, and two, we can screed it out very easily. So now you can see Edgar is wetting down the stone a little bit as we compact. It's going to do a couple things. One, it's going to help us achieve a better compaction rate, and two, it's going to keep some of the dust down. Juan's got the compactor here. We're just going to, get it compacted nicely with this. We don't need a big machine on this. We've already compacted the base with a bigger machine, so this is just a couple inches of gravel. Very funny, Edgar. Okay, so now we got the gravel in the hole, and you can see it's all been leveled out. And if you look carefully, those two on either side, we have the 2x4s going across. That's where we scrape the gravel down with the another 2x4 going across. It's actually called screeding. So now we're ready for the pool to come, and shortly the pool's going to be here. So next thing you'll see is a pool coming off the truck. Okay, so now we're installing the fittings on the pool. Pretty simple. We use a hole saw, which is kind of like a big drill bit. Then we use silicone to go around our fittings on the front and the back, and then we just join them together. So now you can see there's a lot going on, a little noisy job site, but that's okay because we're accomplishing a lot of work today. The electrician is finishing up, hooking up our equipment. We have the trenches run so that we can get power to the automatic cover on this pool. There's the bonding wire that's going around the pool. That's getting done today. We have the lights going in the pool. So it's a pretty exciting day today. Okay, so now that the patio is completely laid out, it's time to do the finishing touches. On this project, that basically means we're going to put the grout in between the joints on the coping and install the polymeric sand in the paver patio. Hi, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. If you'd like to see videos of our latest project, please click or tap over here. If you'd like to see a video where our clients are talking about their experience working with us, please click or tap up here. Thanks again, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.